Have you ever gone through one of those times when you're stuck trying to figure out what kind of content to create? Deep down, you know it's not logical because you know so much about your area of expertise, but something is in the way. Well, I go through this from time to time, and I imagine you have too, so let's discuss. Also, a really quick reminder, hang around a few minutes until the end because I don't want you to miss my checklist at the end of this post. It will make all of this that much easier for you. Well, welcome to Legal Marketing Minutes, where I share short bursts of current marketing news and advice. I'm your host, Nancy Myrland. If we haven't met, I'm a marketing, business development, content, social, and digital media speaker, trainer, and advisor for lawyers and legal marketers. Your time is valuable, so let's get started, okay? Well, here's how it often plays out in our heads. We think, I really need to be producing content about whatever this topic is, because I know that one of the best ways that I have to demonstrate to people that I know what I'm talking about and that I can help them is to share what I know with others. But, and here it goes, right? I can't think of what to produce right now. I've written so much about this in the past. I'm too busy. Everyone already knows about that, so why should I write about it? Well, I'm not worthy of covering that topic because others, much bigger in this space, are already doing that. Does any of that sound familiar to you? Come on, you can tell me. Let me know somewhere in the comments, depending on where you're listening to this. It might make you feel better to know that this scenario is very common. I know because I see it with my clients on a regular basis. And I'll let you in on a little secret. I can go through these thoughts in my head with the best of you, trust me. I've even done this when my content calendar calls for a specific topic on a specific date. I have it all laid out for me so I don't even have to think, yet I still play mind games with myself. Then, if you and I are lucky, our logical sides of our brains fight back to remind us that this isn't all that difficult. We tell ourselves that we know that some of the easiest ways to share our wisdom with others are to record something, to write a blog post, to post on social media, to speak at a conference, to speak during a webinar, to use our voices like this to record audio, to go on camera and record our thoughts. There are so many ways that we can create content, aren't there? Well, what I want you to know is that even one small conversation can inspire content. I mean, just today, I was nudged back into the reality of how easy it is to come up with valuable content to share. And here's what happened. I was on a prep phone call with a member of the ABA antitrust section talking about a podcast that I'm getting ready to record with them in a few days. They invited me to talk about, big surprise, social and digital media and how lawyers can use social and digital to demonstrate leadership. Interesting topic, isn't it? Well, I thought so too. My friend and brilliant marketer, Mark Schaefer, gave them my name because he knows that I work with lawyers. Thanks, Mark. After our short podcast prep phone call, which really only lasted about 20 minutes, I realized that after questioning my next content creation project on my to-do list for about a week, and that was to write a blog post and create a podcast episode and all of the related repurposing that I do, I actually had plenty to talk about with you. Why? What helped me suddenly get unstuck? Well, because I suddenly had an opportunity to talk about my craft to other people for a few minutes. In those few short minutes on that call, I had a chance to share my thoughts on one of my favorite topics, and I reminded myself that I had knowledge I could create and share with you that might be helpful. If you've ever gone through this, and even if you haven't, you might in the future. Well, just in case, I've come up with 5 quick and easy ways for you to get out of a content rut when you're questioning yourself or you're just not in the mood to write. Maybe you're procrastinating, and maybe you're overwhelmed with the enormity of producing content, so you don't do anything at all. And I've created this because it is very important for you to find ways to share what you know with the world. If they don't see samples of you, if they don't see and feel your approach to doing business or working together, and if you are absent from their radar, the chances of you coming to mind first when they need someone with your skills diminishes. We need to make it easy for them to choose you. Even when referred to you, people still Google you to check out what you're like. Well, let's help them find you or help them reinforce the referral they received by showing them what you know, all right? You don't have to use all 5. Don't worry. You can choose one or more that fit your style. And I've made this very easy for you. I've added these to a handy checklist that you can print out and use as a reminder the next time you get stuck, or even when you aren't stuck, but you want to make sure that you aren't missing topics that others really care about, okay? And you can find that checklist at, and you might want to write this down, or it might be easy to remember, but you decide. You can find the checklist at bit.ly/content inspiration with Nancy. And you have to find that by going to bit.ly/content inspiration with Nancy. Again, bit.ly/content inspiration with Nancy. And I know that's a mouthful to remember, so another way to easily find it if you forget that is to go to my latest blog post on content on the Myrland Marketing Minute blog, and you'll find this recording and the link right there in the post. And in case you haven't been there before, that's myrlandmarketing.com, myrlandmarketing.com. I'll also put that in the show notes for this podcast. Well, that's it for today's Legal Marketing Minutes. Please do me a favor and let me know your thoughts about this topic and if you ever get stuck. If you are somewhere or someplace where you can leave a comment, please do so, as I'd love to hear from you. If not, as I mentioned, you can always find me and this recording on my blog at myrlandmarketing.com. Again, myrlandmarketing.com. Well, thank you so much for spending a few legal marketing minutes with me. I know your time is valuable, so I appreciate you spending a few of those legal marketing minutes with me. I also know you have very valuable content to create. Don't question yourself. You just need to go find it. Remember, my checklist is at bit.ly/content inspiration with Nancy. All right, until next time, I'm Nancy Myrland. Take care.